Good morning, Junior 4. I'm Miss Fatma Abdul Rauf Hamadnallah, and I will teach you science this year. Hope to enjoy studying science with me. In the last video, we discussed how living organisms adapt not only externally through structural adaptations, like eyes, legs, scales, ears, and fur, but also internally through adaptations in their organs, which form various systems, such as digestive system and respiratory system. In the last video, we discussed the digestive system. Today, we will talk about the respiratory system. Before we start our lesson today, I want to ask you an important question. Give a reason for. Our bodies need oxygen gas to do their function. Okay? We get oxygen gas from the air around us all the time. We can't store extra oxygen in our bodies, so we must constantly take in new oxygen through our respiratory system, which we will discuss today. The respiratory system. This system is responsible for breathing, which means respiration. This system supplies the body with oxygen gas and gets rid of carbon dioxide gas in a process called the respiration process. What's meaning of the respiration process? It's a process of pulling air into the body during inhalation and pushing air out of the body during exhalation. The respiration process produces carbon dioxide gas as a waste product. This gas is harmful to our bodies, so we must expel it during exhalation. And this is a give a reason question. Now, we want to know the structure of respiratory system. 1. Nose. 2. Throat or pharynx. 3. Trachea. 4. 2 bronchi. 5. 2 lungs. And 6. The diaphragm. First, the nose. The nose is the first organ of the respiratory system through which air enters the body. Sometimes air enters the body through the mouth. Then, the air moves to the throat. The throat, or pharynx. It allows air to pass from nose to trachea. The trachea. It's a tube that allows air to pass into 2 lungs, which fill up with air like 2 sac balloons. Inside the lungs, trachea branches into 2 bronchi. The 2 bronchi. They allow air to enter the 2 lungs. They are divided into smaller and smaller tubes that look like branches of tree called bronchioles. The 2 lungs. Inside the 2 lungs, the bronchioles end with little air sacs surrounded by blood vessels called alveoli, where oxygen is carried by the blood to all body cells to perform their functions, and carbon dioxide is carried out from the lungs. Now, we will talk about the last organ, which is the diaphragm. Diaphragm is a large muscle at the base of ribs, and it plays an important role in inhalation and exhalation process. You have to know that the properties of organs in this system considered as structural adaptation. That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.